Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your apps have a tint on them. So a different color than what you see them right now. All you have to do is just hold your finger in any open space in between the apps, not on the app itself, okay? And just hold your finger there. You're going to see edit on the top left-hand side, and everything should be wiggling around. Going to edit, second option, customize. Under customize, you're going to see your very last option, tint. Under tint, you can finally choose whatever tint you want. So you can make it like that, really harsh. Edit this bar to make it less harsh. You can mess around between light mode and dark mode, by the way. So you will see a huge difference there. So this light and that's dark. And if I want to mess with the tint, let's say make them all more yellowish, I can do that. Or I can go into this, I can make them go into a blue if I want everything to be like a bluish thing. So it can be actually pretty nice to have this, especially for nighttime. But anyways, that's how you guys can mess around with the tint and change the colors of your apps. So if I want them to be like that, or just this red, I guess, I can just tap away anywhere. And there you go. They're all gonna be like so. And if I want to change anything back, I can just do the exact same thing, but this time just choose default, and there you go. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.